Hello everyone, I'm Ovi, your virtual chef. Today we're going to prepare some delicious Patatas Bravas in Calella. But first, let's look at their origins. Patatas Bravas are typical Spanish tapa, especially popular in Madrid. It's said that they originated in the 1950s in two Madrid bars, Casa Pelico and La Casona, although both have since disappeared. The original recipe for the Brava sauce is a mystery, but it generally includes spicy paprika, flour, and olive oil. The story goes that the patrons of these bars were looking for something new and exciting to accompany their drinks, and thus, Patatas Bravas were born. The combination of crispy potatoes with spicy and flavorful sauce quickly gained popularity and spread throughout Spain. Each region has its own version of Patatas Bravas. In some areas, the sauce is thicker and spicier, while in others it is milder and more liquid. However, the main ingredient is always paprika, which gives it that characteristic red color and smoky flavor. And now, let's get to work on our Patatas Bravas. For this recipe, we'll need Kennebec potatoes, although you can also choose other varieties ideal for frying, such as Agria or Monalisa potatoes. We'll also need half a liter of sunflower oil, salt, aioli, and spicy paprika. First, pour cold water into a bowl. Then, peel and cut the potatoes into cubes and place in the bowl of water for 10 minutes. Next, remove the potatoes from the water and let them dry for about 15 minutes. Then, heat the oil in a deep frying pan over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, fry the potatoes in small batches for about 5 minutes, just until they are tender but not golden. Remove them and let them drain on absorbent paper. After that, increase the oil's temperature and fry the potatoes again, this time until they are golden and crispy, which will take about 2 to 3 more minutes. Remove them and let them drain again on absorbent paper to eliminate excess oil. Add salt to taste. Next, we'll need a bowl, aioli, spicy paprika, and salt to make the sauce. Pour all the ingredients into a bowl and mix. Finally, plate the bravas and add the sauce on top. And voila! Our Patatas Bravas are ready to enjoy. As a bonus, let's make a Brava sauce so easy that even kids can make it. The ingredients are 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, sweet and spicy paprika, and a few drops of Tabasco. Place all the ingredients in a sauce boat and mix well. Then, put the sauce in a jar and pour it over the potatoes, along with a spoonful of aioli. And that's it. Calella is a charming town located on the Maresme coast, in the province of Barcelona, Catalonia, Spain. By the way, if you're coming from Barcelona, the drive to Calella takes approximately 47 minutes. If you prefer the train, the trip takes about 1 hour and 3 minutes. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date. Until the next dish,